my hoodie's stuck in the camera stand, the tripod. Today, messing around with the Jeep some more because it's too cold to do anything else, and gonna probably be putting in a stereo. I don't know what else to do today. It's kind of a boring day here, so I have my old radio from my 350Z, a single DIN, because it has a stock one right now, and a stereo install kit for a 97 through 2001 Ford Chrysler Jeep. So first thing I gotta do is pull out the old radio, which is gonna suck, and then I'll let you guys know. I also have all the doors open so the dome lights are on, so the battery might die, which would not be fun. I should probably just hook up a trickle charger that I have out here, wherever it is. There. Probably do that so my battery doesn't die. Or just unplug my battery terminal like I'm supposed to. Yeah, I'll probably just do that real quick. It's my heater. Getting some of that warmth. Very nice. It's supposed to heat everything up, but kind of cold. So I have a little electric heater inside the car to keep me warm. Matt is inside showering, but we'll be out here soon, and I think Robert's coming over today. So I'm gonna get to it.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Today, we're working on.
I already started the video, dude.
Oh, I know. But,
How do you know?
Bag, because you had the camera in the back.
You don't know that I started it.
I mean, like one can assume. Plus, you've been you've been vlogging.
Yeah.
Because we got a vlogger over here.
Well, I mean, I wouldn't say necessarily.
Hey, Matt, what are you doing over there?
Hi. The horn works today.
Did you fix it?
No, I didn't touch it.
Well, press it again.
No, it's called kissing.
Press it again. Did you fix something? Can you make a beat?
What do you mean?
Make a beat.
My horn wasn't working and it's working now.
He's like, shut the hell up, dude.
No, it wasn't working before. Now it. I hear it.
I didn't hear it. It was working now.
Dude, he came out here so goofy, like, what did he need?
What is going on?
Make hay.
Bye, J-Boob.
Run, go.
Hurry up, you're letting the hot fumes out from this room.
Letting the hot fumes out.
All right,
listen.
big reveal.
The Obey sweater, pretty cool, but everyone has it.
Right.
We don't need any of that. Obviously, they packaged it really nicely for me. Budget trash bag, but we don't need much more than that. Oh, wow.
Oh, no.
Pretty good. Look at, dude, the tag.
Wow.
Pretty accurate.
Pretty
honestly.
crazy. Let's see it.
That's pretty fresh.
It's fake as shit.
No. Feel how cold that is.
Ooh.
Freezing.
That's supreme quality right there.
Should I leave the tag in? Tell me they didn't go all out though. They even got the tag.
Wow.
That's pretty cool.
There you go, man. eBay shit.
5725. Fake as shit. That's the build number. It's not fake as shit, Jacob.
The build number.
You don't know.
Fancy boy over something.
Did you see how far that went? It didn't go far at all. I bought a large. Usually I wear extra large and it's already looking very thin. You have to rip while I'm putting it on. You good? What is that? Youth large?
It looks a little small. might fit me though.
I'm fucking pissed. This was everything to me. I've been waiting on this for so long.
Oh, it's so sad.
Dude, I knew as soon as I clicked the large, I was like, I messed up. Does it look legit though?
I
like
mean,
on screen, like it's a little like I can't really move my arms and stuff.
I mean, does that look legit?
Debatable.
Debatable.
But like if
The
you
R's a
saw it
little
from a
wonky.
distance. Yeah.
Nice little,
It's pretty thin.
little pan. Damn,
Spelled it wrong.
If it fit you, like a little better.
If I got an extra large.
Yeah.
If they spelled it wrong, it wouldn't be.
Unfortunate.
How's it going, Jacob?
Pretty good.
Wire nut master, nut man, nut buster of the year.
Nutbuster of the year. I haven't busted any of these nuts yet.
any of these nuts yet? Are you insinuating something else?
No.
No.
Not at all.
I didn't think so. All right. So.
Okay. Let me show you the technique.
Okay.
Okay. So we got plain gray wire. Go.
Yep.
Find one of these horribly. Oh, I'm bleeding. Oh. Gray. Purple. Gray.
Right.
See, that's a great color combo. So you.
What
just,
colors is it?
Pop hour.
Okay.
Gay.
That's a fashion no. All right, go on.
Just snip that right off.
You're gonna pick that up.
No, I'm not.
You're gonna eat it.
No, I'm not.
That's one of the nuts you'll be busting tonight. And your teeth.
No. Go.
You gonna talk to me like that?
Of course.
Okay, go on.
Okay, and then you just kind of strip.
Why do you twist them? Is that it?
You gotta strip the full all the way around the wire. Woo.
That was really.
Woo. And then you just.
Really drawn out.
Woo. Sorry.
That's how you have to strip it, Robert.
Yeah,
There's
you
no
have
option.
to make sure that it's
how you
fully
do it.
stripped.
That's how you do it.
You can't have no half strip thing. No, full or nothing.
So you
Okay,
should.
all the way around. Show all the skin.
I have no idea if this is gonna work though, honestly.
I've been doing this for years. Years of experience.
Well, not your wiring. Aw, none of that cloud made it to you. Oh well.
That clout.
The cloud did make it to him actually. Jacob is the lucky proprietor of that new sweater.
It's too small for him.
For what? For my what? For his what? Finish that sentence.
No.
That's what I thought.
You gotta strip the other wire. So this is the papal.
Is this what the kids want to see, Robert?
This is what the
good
kids
content?
want to say.
Is, in fact,
This is
kids
Jeep
wanna
content
see.
though.
This is XJ shit right here.
Yeah, but who cares about that shit?
This is like.
I'm not trying to
Hunt
gain
has to get on
a
our level.
TJ Hunt.
So, first of all, you gotta make sure that in your wires there's some sort of sticky shit, like something back there. I don't
We
even
got.
want to know.
Oh,
what
there's
that
something
is.
sticky for sure.
Yeah.
Oh man,
Shit.
we almost got the vape. We got the new vape setup by the way.
What's this vape over here?
Yeah, you just take 2 wires, just put it right in the vape.
Are you serious, dude? On the vape?
I could have done it on the tip.
Alright, keep going.
Okay, so you put your,
We're gonna discuss this later.
you put your 2 wires
Put the camera off.
right next to each other. Give it a quick twist. Ooh, quick twist. Ooh.
Quick twist.
You got those
That looks cool with the
smoke
lighting.
effects. Then you just take your nut,
You're not.
just pop it on there.
Don't bust it. Don't bust it.
Don't bust this nut. If you bust this nut, you're pretty much screwed.
That's
So then you-
that's the nut bust.
Oh shit! Oh.
Oh!
No, it's not. Okay, wait. Just,
No.
see, I'll fix it. I'll fix it.
Okay.
He's gonna fix his busted nut.
Fix the busted nut.
Sprained
That looks
nut.
busted to me, Jacob. Oh! That ain't busted. He's
Are you done yet?
Kinda busted.
Was that the last
3
one?
more.
Hurry up, dude. I'm trying to get this thing going.
Some violent shit right here.
Can you put in some intense music while you do that in the edit? Alright, just replay that sound clip over that when you like lean forward, and then it'll make sense in like 2 seconds for the viewers.
It'll make a lot more
That's good concept.
That's gang shit right there.
Real talk.
Okay, we're going off with gray and black. Gray and black goes to
Alright.
you just stop it. This is terrible content.
Terrible content.
We'll be right back. That's gross! Dude, they gave me a spare lens, I'm not even kidding, and that's
Really?
probably why.
That's
Because they didn't want to take that off. Let me see if I can find it real quick. All the Jeep parts kind of went everywhere and I took it off.
Do you use the whole single lens?
I knew it. Yeah, well, we're not taking that off though. I'm not taking that thing out of there.
Hey, Kellen.
No chance. Last wire? Last wire? Jacob's on the last?
Yeah, and I literally almost caught
There he is. Last
How
little
many,
soldier.
how many years ago do you think that was stuck in there?
Hey, you got another one back here, I think.
Oh, you only got one dome light though.
Well, he did.
No, well, I'm not replacing him. I'm just bring it back. There we go. Stink bug free.
Man, fucking
Yeah.
That's good. I got it to fit before, so no problem. No, there's not a clip. It's an antenna. Yeah, I think so. You didn't know either.
Give it a good wiggle.
Just a good radio install. There we go, done. All right, where are my keys?
Let's turn it on.
Hey, let's push it back so it doesn't fall out.
Yeah, just should be on. We'll start it just in case. Jacob messed it up. J-Boo.
J-Boo. J-Boo.
Tisk tisk. Not good shit.
It's all his fault.
No. I wear it
All your fault.
I didn't even wear anything.
You told me what the wire.
Quitting YouTube.
Did you guys see the Jake Paul thing?
The Jake Paul thing, the Logan
The
Paul
Logan
thing.
Paul thing.
Shit was
Paul,
crazy.
you gonna go to a suicide forest?
Yes.
That shit's crazy.
It's that time of the day. We're scrolling through my Instagram feed. Ooh, S chassis. Alright, back to what I was doing.
Boy.
Alright, well, we're gonna go back to looking at wire diagrams. I messed up. Someone messed up.
Hey, it wasn't me.
It got messed up.
It got me.
We're having problems.
I'm sorry. I'm really honestly sorry. But there's some sort of foamy shit on the ground over here.
No, there's not.
What's up, dog?
I can't see it, but I believe you. That
I
took
have no
me
idea what that is.
a long time to find your foot. Wait, down there?
Yeah.
Oh, it's workhorse.
Explain to him why it wasn't working.
Well, there was a little fuse there that I didn't have, so I was about to cry myself to sleep, and
You were about to give up.
Just a meme.
I mean, I wouldn't say I was gonna give up, but I was probably gonna give up.
Just a
You
meme.
were gonna give up.
Well, we don't know if this works yet.
Ah, that's true. That's true. We don't know yet. But could be.
Oh, it's buzzing.
Whoa! Yes, dude. Oh man, people say we don't know how to work on cars. Whatever.
Whatever, dude.
Bullshit.
Now let's see if it
Look at that Sony. Look at how nice that display is.
Bluetooth.
There is at least 100 pixels on this display.
Wow.
That is
Do we want to
awesome.
put your dash back together?
No, we should see if it works first.
Oh no.
But just make sure everyone hears something through their door. I hear something.
Shit.
We good.
Gang shit.
Dang shit.
Ah, fuck. This is like the worst.
Get some good shit. Crank it.
To get to cruising altitude. So
Dude, these are nice speakers.
Sounds better.
keep your seatbelt on time. And so 20 minutes came
Wow.
and went.
Wow. Jeep's complete. It's all back together. Looks pretty good. Pretty happy with it. It works. It works a lot better than Bunk 1996 radio.
Sucks shit.
So now I just
It
gotta-
sounds better too.
It sounds pretty good, honestly. But now I just have to clean everything up because everything is all strewn apart. Excuse me. And you can leave that burp in. You know what's funny? Usually I say stuff like, "Oh, Jacob, edit this out," but Jacob is right there today.
I hate that.
It's a good look for the hat.
I know.
My camera seems to be lagging right now, and I'm not sure why. I saw it lag twice now. I think it's the low light that's... It's your problem! I got that on film. Jacob broke my nose on camera. Jacob just threw a full table. We're gonna go review this footage.
My friend.
Alright, well that's about it for today. The Jeep's done, so I don't know. Looking good over there. Jacob got some free clout today. Oh, as soon as this video goes up, everyone's gonna know you're a fake.
not though.
Alright, whatever you say.
Remember, it's genuine, like,
Genuine eBay.
yeah.
So drop a like down below, drop a comment, drop a bell button, subscribers. I don't know. More stupid videos coming your way.
Savage, yeah, I'm a savage. I stay in the trap, just in my line and I'll bag it. Niggas try your luck, then I'ma let you have it. The way that I get done, man, I swear it's so tragic.